Hi guys, in today's video I'm playing a mukbang in Roblox. So basically I ordered my food. So this game's about, so you load into this mukbang game and so you load into it. I'm just trying to get inside. I've taken bread up. You start the mukbang game like somewhere here, and then you walk over here. Mukbang called mukbang. So this is how you spell it. I don't know if you spell I don't know if you say mukbang corner. I just say mukbang. Hello, please again. Blah blah blah. Okay. These are, yeah, you have to buy one of these. So they're 2,500 and I had 6,000. Now I don't, as you can tell. So you can click to order, as it says. The heart is sauces and coming soon. Place down your order on the table. You have to sit down. I'm gonna get my corn dogs, my mozzarella sticks. This is I want this in my life now, I can't lie. Ooh, mac and cheese is not, I don't like mac and cheese. Cheesy chicken bacon. And I thought this was gonna be one big one, but I was wrong. Eggs. I'm almost taking up the table. There we go. Yeah, now I need some sauces. So, spicy, sweet and sour. Ranch. Onion powder. Wasabi. Yeah, I get mayo. Oh my god, I'm taking up like this whole inventory. Sweet and sour. Ranch. Onion powder. Wasabi. And mayonnaise. This is my food. Okay. First, I really wait. Where do I want to start? Why did the mozzarella have that? I'm not. Okay, first we're gonna start off with I can't remember what it's called. Anyways, that is too close. Okay, just like that. Mac and cheese, yeah. Look at that cheese pull, like. Okay, that was so nice to listen to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The reason why I'm only getting 6 is because your inventory can only hold 6 different. So now we're in the sauces, so we have to go in this one. So for our first sauce, we're gonna have some sweet and sour. Don't that sound so nice? Wasabi. This game is actually so nice. Is this up and down? So Yeah, you can control it like for here. You can only get 6 in your inventory at a time. So, mail, onion powder. Okay guys, sorry. Okay. So we need some spicy sauce. And ranch. Now we're gonna have some sweet and sour. This week. And these are cheeses. Because I'm thinking how it would taste in that, and it is disgusting. We're going to put in some sticks with this onion sauce. What is this? Honey garlic sauce. Mmm. My honey glazed honey soy chicken. Okay, now corn dogs. I really want corn dogs right now. Cheese pull. I actually don't know if that's a cheese pull. That's a cheese pull. Okay, that's this table. And then once we're done, clean table. Yes. Where's this chair size? Sorry guys. I normally go high. Okay, let's go to order. Okay, you guys know I'm gonna go up right with corn dogs. Okay. going for blue tacky. Anything not blue tacky, I don't get. I mean anything not blue. Okay. I'm just gonna see if I can get the Rouge pizza. I think I'm gonna get this Rouge pizza. Probably get dessert and guess then. Okay, what is that? It's here, like. I might have to get the raspberry pie, but it's not blue. That's mostly paper. Oh well, I can't get anything else. Any soda? Blueberry milk. Nah, I get water. Okay. Blue tacky corn dog. Blue mozzarella sticks. Riku pizza, I don't know how to say that. Blueberry pie and water. No, no sweeters. Cheese pull with a corn dog. Okay. Next we'll go on green stuff. One, two, three. In here, okay, let's do cheese pull. That was a good cheese pull. Let's just see. If you just hear something up here, like it smells. Pizza. But before we finish our pizza, I'm gonna have a stand. We literally finished our water. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm pretty sure that's got talking in there. Okay. Honey glazed. I've never had pizza. Actually, just need it plain. Wait, no, sometimes I just make it. No. I don't need crust, I can't lie. I just leave the crust in my plate. What's that? pizza. Anyone know? If you do know this in the comments, please. Thanks. I'm just gonna keep on eating. Usually the pizza. Sorry, I'm laughing. Okay. And I don't eat my pizza in 2 bites. That's definite. Good. Not open. Okay, this is all that's left from my table. Some of the stuff don't eat by itself. Okay, now we're doing green stuff only. So it's either matcha milk or lime soda. And I'm a girl, so now I'm going for the matcha. Okay, I don't think there's matcha, so I just saw this. Oh, I could have got the mozzarella, however you say it. Oh. Are you kidding me? Takis chicken. Anything green? Nah, it's mostly like fatty things. They're not really all green. Most of it's orange. Okay. I know I just saw some green stuff. I feel like that's actually a real talking thing. Takis, mozzarella, sea grapes, and disgusting. Dessert. Okay. There's actually a lot of green things. Our order. Welcome to order. Okay, now sauce that I want to click on. Okay, green sauces. Wasabi. Yeah, the honey garlic is in there. That's kind of green, so. I mean, when it's on it, it's not. Oh no. I don't call much green. Me trying to say everything really quick. It's totally kind of green. And it's horrible. I don't like Takis. This looks disgusting. I like corn dogs. I don't know why I don't dip it in here. It would be nice. Yeah. You can kind of see the normal stigma, and it's really nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That sounds nice. Ooh, I just love the end. Why did it say so? Okay. We're not gonna eat dessert at the end. When I finish these, we're having dessert. I just love this game. Oh my god. It's so satisfying. Okay. What do we want? This is cereal. This says matcha cookie cereal. And I got this and it eats it one at a time. Nothing disappointing. Ah. But it is it's too bad. Okay. Now we're gonna go this side. Oh no, I wanna try the biggest. Another drink. Mozzarella bigger. Another cheese pole. Now we're gonna try the mozzarella bigger with the wasabi. Hey, mozzarella burger. That does look really nice. Wait, this is the cheese ball. The cheese ball. This looks yummy. I'm gonna do that at McDonald's when I get the mozzarella cheese bites. Wait. Rubbing the other dessert at the end. Okay. This will be so nice. Ready? Okay, we need to go up close to this cheese ball. Yes. Ooh, that looked lovely. I'm just gonna dip them both in. Cheese ball. Ooh, I just love the cheese. Eat that. And eat that. The sound though, it's so nice. Corn dog time. It's not around here. I'm pretty sure that's a cheese too when I see one. Bite. Second bite. Last bite. Okay. Now it's time for the dessert. This looks nice. Matcha chewy cookie. How is there a cheese pudding matcha and strawberry? Put in honey. That would just be disgusting. And I don't know if that I don't know if you guys just hear that. I did. I heard something. I heard a cat meowing. Okay. So there's probably this cat there. Probably looks yeah, that is. That's really bad. Okay. Anyways, let's not go there. Now what's that here before? And okay guys, we'll see you in the next video. I know this video is cut short. See you guys in the next video. Bye.